walk into the Piazza della Santissima Annunziata, you will immediately see works of three very famous Florentines. The Ospedale degli Innocenti was built by Brunelleschi. He had the facade embellished by none other than Andrea della Robbia. And the statue of Ferdinando I de' Medici was made by Giambologna. In 1445, this Ospedale degli Innocenti opened as the first Florentine institute for orphans and abandoned children. The building reveals a clean and clear sense of proportion. The height of the columns is the same as the width of the intercolumniation and the width of the arcade, making each bay a cube. The building's simple proportions reflect a new age and sense of great order and clarity. Here at the front portico, the unlucky children were sometimes abandoned in a basin. That was removed in 1660 and replaced by a wheel. There was a door with a special rotating horizontal wheel that brought the babies into the building without the parents being seen. This allowed the people to leave their babies anonymously to be cared for by the orphanage. The system was in operation until the hospital's closure in 1875. This was just another fun fact from Florence. You're welcome.